Hi everybody, just a quick little video to show you how that you can compress or zip files or folders. If you need to put a bunch of files in one folder and upload them, you can use compression utilities to make that a lot easier. So I'm just in my documents directory and I'm just going to randomly select a couple of folders to upload. So I'm going to hold down my control key and I'm going to click and select this one. I'm going to click and select this one, and then this one. So I want to combine these three folders into one zipped or compressed folder. So once I've got them selected, I can right click, and I'm using Windows 10 for this, but this is pretty much the same through all the different operating systems that Windows has put out over the last 5 to 10 years. So down in the middle, you're going to see send to, and then I'm going to choose compressed zipped folder. So all you have to do is click it. It's as easy as that. Once you select your files and folders and select compress zip folder, it's going to go ahead and compress them for you. And then once it has completed that, it's going to give you the opportunity to name that. So I'm going to call it project zipped folders. It's always a good idea to use unique and distinctive names when you are working with files or folders. It's just much easier to find them that way once you've completed them. So one unique feature about zipped or compressed folders that is different from your regular folders, you'll see that it actually has a little zipper on it. So they're easy to spot on your USB or in a large directory like I've got, which is my documents directory. Now, the folder has been zipped. The only other thing I want to know about it is what size is it? Because some platforms like Blackboard and Dropbox, they've got a limitation of the size of folder that you can upload. And so I do need to know the size. So I'm going to take a look here. It's on the tooltip, it says 43.9. If you don't get a tooltip that gives you the size, you can right click over top of the folder, click on properties, and then you'll see in the middle section here, it gives you the size 43.9 megabytes. So one problem that you could run into when you're uploading files or folders, if it's not successful, it's possible that even your zipped or compressed file is too large. That just means that you need to separate it into smaller chunks. So most platforms have some kind of restriction on how large a file that you can upload to them. So I think with Blackboard, it's 50 megabytes. Something like that. So if you've got something larger than 50 megabytes, separate it out into different folders and then zip those, and you can upload smaller zipped folders to Blackboard and other platforms that are similar to that. So that's what the size of mine is. I'm going to click the OK button. That's all you need to do. Just to recap, select the files or folders you want to zip, right click, send to zipped or compressed folder, give it a name, hit the enter key, and you're done. Then you're ready to upload. Happy computing.